Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I came today teach simple electronic circuit by Proteus. Open Proteus software. Here, open new project, or here, select new project. You can type anything. Type name for project. Select next. Design template. Select any one. My circuit is simple. Do not create pressing layout. Select next. No firmware project. Select next. Finish. Select here for needed parts. Search LED. Select one LED, any color. Select a green LED. Okay. Select again parts. We needed resistor. 1 kilo 10 watt. Select OK. Draw parts here. You can zoom and zoom out this. And you can change name. I'm typing LED for this part. Select OK. Draw resistor here. You can change resistor. Double click and change resistor. $100 or $200. Select OK. We need a generator. DC generator. Select DC. Draw here. Double click on and change name. My generator is battery. Type name. Select OK. You can change voltage. My voltage 6 or 9. You can change voltage. My generator is DC. Select DC and change voltage. My voltage 9. Select OK. Now connect parts. Select here or here and connect together, and select here, connect LED. We need a ground. Select terminal. Ground draw here. Lost. Type any name. My terminal is GND. Type GND. My circuit is ready. You can change resistor. Run project. My LED turn it on. You can change resistor for LED light. Run first. LED light down. Again change resistor. Excuse me. My resistor is 200. Run project. LED turn it on. Thank you for watching.